of course. First of all, thanks for inviting me for this podcast. My name is Srishti Shinde, and currently I am in the third year, and I am pursuing BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Anna Sahib Gandhi College of Engineering and Technology, Ashta. And I have completed my schooling from my hometown, Manilajri, and I have completed my diploma from the Government Polytechnic Patna. So this is my brief overall journey and introduction.
Okay. What is today's topic and why is it important?
So key management in a cloud security is today's topic, and its importance is whenever we are storing some data on the cloud like Amazon Web Services or Alibaba or other services. So we have to manage all this data. So likewise encryption and authentication. Our data is very sensitive and we have a lot of information, personal information. So managing these all the data by using encryption and authentication is very important. So that is the importance of today's topic.
Very nice. What inspired you to choose this topic?
Actually, in today's world, various things are going with the artificial intelligence and data science. So, instead of storing all the data physically, everyone is using cloud computing, like storing data on the cloud. And these models are pay-per-use. We don't need any hardware devices. So all the data as stored in the cloud. So this is our latest generation trend. So we are storing data on the cloud. But what about the security? So this inspired me to choose this topic, that is key management in cloud security.
Okay. Before we begin, can you explain this topic in simple words for beginners?
Yes, key management in cloud security, that is we are going to provide some authentication and some protection for our cloud data. That is the simple information for the learners, beginners.
Okay, nice. Why should students or professionals learn about this subject?
Because this is our generation is AI generation. Everyone is storing data on the cloud only. No one is using hardware devices such as PD and other hard disk. So we have to learn. We have to go with flow. That's why latest generations are using these subjects.
Okay, last means how is this topic is connected to real world technology?
Actually, everyone is using cloud data storage. So we have to protect this data. We have a lot of personal information in this. So our data is too much sensitive. So this will by default affect our daily life.
Okay, that sounds really.
Sorry for disturbing you guys. The technical issues arise.
Okay,
Just we will add in something.
Yes,
Just wait for a second.
no issue.
You can continue.
Okay, no issue. Yes.
Let's start with our topic, which is key management in cloud security. Can you explain what is exactly key management in cloud security?
Great question. So, key management in cloud security is the process of creating encryption keys, then setting of the security, using them safely, then reading them regularly, and finally deleting when we are not using them. Its main goal is to protect the sensitive data. It ensures only authorized users can access the data. Data remains confidential. Data integrity is maintained. Cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and OCI are commonly used to arrange these keys.
So basically, key management is the backbone of cloud security.
Yes, exactly. Without proper key management, even encrypted data can become unsafe.
Okay. Why is key management so important? Can't encryption follow protect data?
Yes, that's a very important point. Let me explain with the simple reasons. protecting sensitive data. Cloud stores very sensitive information. If keys are not secure, then data can be exposed. Then preventing unauthorized access. Many users access cloud systems. Key management ensures only authorized users to get the access. Then reduces data breaches. Poor key handling, that is equals to high risk of data hacking or data leakage. Then proper rotation and storage reduces the risk of data loss. Then regulatory compliance. Organizations must follow rules like GDPR, HIPAA and PCI DSS. Key management helps to meet these standards. Then data protection, store data protected and transmit data that is also protected. Then life cycle of key management, a key must be generated, stored, used, rotated and deleted.
Okay, nice. So, if keys are not managed properly, even strong security fails.
Yes, absolutely correct.
Okay. Are there different levels of key management?
Yes, there are four main levels, that is provider managed keys, then customer managed keys, bring your own key and hold your own key. These are the four levels of the key management. In provider managed keys these are keys are managed by the provider. In the customer managed keys, these are controlled or managed by the customers. Bring your own key. Keys created outside of the cloud and hold your own key, that is keys stay outside of the cloud.
Okay, nice. Which one is the most secure key?
That is HYOK. Hold your own key provides the highest level of control and security.
Okay. How does key management actually work step by step?
So let's understand the life cycle. First is the key generation. Keys are created using algorithms like AES or RSA. Then secure storage, stored in a KMS or HSM, hardware security model. Then access control, only authorized users who have authentication, they can only access the keys using IAM, RBAC and MFA. Then encryption and decryption. Data at rest, that is encrypted, and data in transit protected using the TLS. Then key rotation, keys are changed regularly, like every 90 days or every 180 days. Then monitoring and auditing, that is log track who used the key, when it was used and what actions was performed. Then key deletion, that is unused or compromised key are deleted.
Okay, that sounds like complete life cycle.
Yes.
So, what technologies are used in key management?
So technologies like HSM, that is hardware security model, secure physical device for storing keys, then cloud KMS, centralized management service, then encryption algorithms like AES and RSA, as I told earlier, then IAM controls who can access the keys, then TLS, protect data in transit, secure key vaults, that is stores key safely, blockchain, that is provides decentralized security.
Okay, great. Where is the key management used in real life?
Key management in cloud storage security, then online banking, healthcare systems, e-commerce platforms and government systems. Most of the government systems right now using the cloud storage for the storing their data. So cloud banking sector is a very crucial or sensitive data they have. So key management is vastly used in that section.
Okay, what are the benefits?
There are multiple benefits. So I will told you, that is strong data security, better confidential and integrity, then regulatory compliance, control access and reduce the data breaches.
Okay. Let's do a quick question. What is key rotation?
Key rotation is a process of replacing the old keys. Whenever we get some keys that are expired, as I told, that is the duration is 90 days or 180 days. Once the key is expired, then we have to we have to add the new keys.
Okay. So to conclude, key management in cloud security is not just a technical concept. It is the foundation of protecting digital data. Without proper key management, data can be exposed, system can be compromised, and organization can face huge loss. But with proper practice like secure key lifecycle, as you told, access control and monitoring, we can ensure strong cloud security. So that was really informative, and now I clearly understand how important key key management is. Thank you so much for listening our podcast.
Okay, so at a conclusion, I would like to say something that thanks for inviting me for this podcast, and it will a great opportunity for beginners or learners who have no any idea. We have some listeners which they have no any idea about cloud securities. Actually, some are there that was they have no any idea or they don't know about what is cloud computing, what is cloud security, what is cloud storage. So I think it will beneficial for all of our listeners whoever don't have any idea about the what is cloud storage and all. Some users are there, they are using PDs and hard disk. So cloud computing or cloud storage are the pay-per-use models. Whenever we want to use the data storage devices, then we are pay for that and we are using it. So I think it will great for all the listeners who have don't any idea, and they can understand that is the key management in cloud security is a very important aspect, because we are storing data in the cloud is the main thing, but what about the security and sensitivity of our data? So they all getting information about how they can storage, how they can manage their data on the cloud storage, and they will learn what is the overall life cycle of the key management in the cloud security. And I think it will be beneficial for all of our listeners. And thank you.
We hope you found this session very helpful and easy to understand. Thank you. Stay secure, stay informed. Thank you.